Today I'm showing you how to install the viral Home Depot Santa and reindeer on your roof without drilling, screwing, or damaging your shingles. I'll show you the roof-safe way to secure everything so it stays put. I'll also show you how to run lighting and yes, how to give Rudolph that glowing red nose so he pops at night. So if you've been nervous to put this display on your roof, don't worry, I've got you. It's way easier than it looks. So first things first, I'm going to be using 9 reindeer. Therefore, this is the size you'll need for that amount. I bought 2 boards that are 2x4 by 16 feet long, and I'm connecting them with 2x4s. You can cut them at 16 inches or 20 inches. You just want there to be enough space to put 2 reindeer side by side. For this configuration, every reindeer will be about 20 inches from the next one, but again, you can do it whatever distance fits your roof best. Alright, to put the light onto Rudolph's nose, we have this E12 red LED candelabra light bulb. We have this accessory light cord right over here. It's going to go like that. And we have a 7/8 Spade Drill Bit. That drill bit is going to make a hole right here. It's a very rough hole, but we did it. This is on the first reindeer, which will be Rudolph. These reindeers from Home Depot have a plate that goes here, so we just take it off. There's about 6 or 7 screws. We take it off so we can put our hand through there. We want to put this cord that I have here, we want to put it in through the bottom so it can come up over here, and then we'll put the light bulb right over there. And then we can put the cord on the side of the body, but that way we have a way for his nose to light up. So let's do that really quickly. To prevent water from getting into the socket and to attach it to the reindeer's nose, I'm going to be using a little bit of hot glue just to seal that area nicely. So once you put the wire through, you can screw the socket back. It doesn't matter if it doesn't seal completely, and just put the wire off to the side. Then attach the reindeer head back to the body. You just got to give it a little push and it's attached and it'll be just fine like that. The wire's off to the side and we're good to go. So once you get your platform on the roof, I needed to cut legs to stabilize this because right now it's pretty stable, but you don't want it tipping over to one side. So I just measured the length of the platform to the roof and I cut them. Then I attached them with screws. That way it's really stable. I will end up putting a sandbag on this to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and trust me, it didn't. So putting the reindeer is super simple. Because we're using a 2x4, all we're doing is opening the legs just a little bit like that. Just like that. Or putting it in there. Now we can go like this, or you could go just a little higher. But what I have here is some washers, and we're going to put them like this. And then we have some 3-inch screws that we're going to go through the leg into the wood. So that way it'll be steadfast. So you could use zip ties, but I think screws are a little bit more secure. Make sure to use a washer so that in windy conditions it doesn't rip through the plastic. Alright, this part is super simple. We have a 2x4 that's on an angle being held up by a 2x2 furring strip, which is resting on a 2x2 furring strip that is running along the ridge of the roof and attached to the platform. You see 2 more furring strips attached to the side to give it stability. This is super simple. Then we put 2 screws over here, attaching the 2x4 to the furring strip, and the furring strip is attached to the platform. This took no more than 5 minutes. It was super simple, super fast. The only thing you have to do is cut the angle that you want and then screw it together. Make sure to paint it black if you have dark shingles so that it meshes better. So the lighting aspect is the last part of this display, and what I have is spotlights here. But I have low voltage landscape, wire, and lighting. It's more expensive this way, but it's what I had. But what you can use is a simple spotlight and attach it to these furring strips. See, we have some more over here. These are 2x2-inch furring strip, and we simply cut them and attach them to our platform. We've done several of them. So you use some zip ties, put your spotlights to light up your reindeer, connect it to your extension cord, and then you can add your rope LED light. I've added everything in the description below, and that's how you do your Santa roof display. Alright, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like in the daytime. And this is the LED rope that I attached to it. You can see the harness has a hook, so we simply put the rope there because the rope that these reindeers come with won't work here. I also put the sandbag, as you can see there. I'm gonna paint it black. You can put 2 or 3 sandbags just to make sure it's safe. I've only put 1. And of course, you can see that I've done zip ties on Santa's sleigh right over there to keep it nice and sturdy. But that's it. Once you do this part, you plug it in and you put the remainder of the LED rope into his sleigh, and we've got it. And it looks so good. Remember to spray paint all of your reindeer and Santa with the UV protector. I've added everything I used below so that it can last a long time. Be sure to check out my 3 children's books, Oliver and the Lost Flame, Little Olive and the Wally Bad, and my newest book, The Ghost Who Dreamed of Flying, now available on Amazon.